For yeah. The whole thing. It's stuck on the inside with that dumb click bullshit in there. Yeah. I hate that. Yo, that shit is annoying. It's happened to me before. It's just freaking ridiculous.
A few moments later.
Dumb bitch. Finally. Finally. Got it. As you've seen, picked up the leather seats for the Forester. And they're in freaking great shape. They're actually brand new, as you see here. Brand new. Well kept. But I'm just cleaning them off now with, you get this at Owls on. I don't really like it that much, but it serves its purpose. So there we are. Let's get to it. So here's the interior. As you see, it's fresh though. Like, I'm telling you, if anybody wants it and sees it, this interior is fresh. I got it detailed, you know, except for that little bit you see right there. But I got this joint detailed. Like, this joint is pretty nice. Like, I just don't want it. But look at these door cards. It doesn't matter how much you clean it, it still look like trash. And when you got babies, like, look at this. Bro, that ain't me. I like looking, you know, not stunting, but I want the joint to look nice. So 04, 05 seats. And 06, 07. This is 04, 04, 05. And then this is no seatbelt. 06, 07 is those. But that's what I'm saying. You see the difference though. Yeah, so now I gotta go buy that seat that you could do that. I ain't noticed that. But that's for both of them. What? For 2006 and 2007? For both of these seats? All I need is the two front ones. So what about this one? I could put that one on. I mean, you might as well try it. I could, no, that one fit. I know the back ones fit. So, old ones. The guy I sent it to, he didn't really do that much great. But, you know, kids, he did good, but the kids, bro, they be harassing shit. So, but what we're gonna do is as much as we can. And next week, I'll be back at PNP Autos picking up the other ones. Jojo está dentro, baby.
You taking this out too?
Which one?
Oh no.
Yeah, not today though, because I gotta put the speakers that I'm gonna put on it. Because I'm putting a little sound system in it. So when I go do the sound system, then I do that. Because I gotta rip them out anyway. So why rip them out now, you know? There we go.